Bombay duck and this soulfish, lapos. This color is not permitted, it is banned because it is carcinogenic, it causes cancer and consumption. So this is, we are not supposed to eat, so we have seized around 160 kg of lapos and 120 kg of Bombay duck we have seized now here. It's worth around 30,000 total. We are going to destroy this. Not to sell to public. And we will be conducting regular raids in the morning, early morning.
Even today you have received any complaint from the public?
We have heard, yeah. Somebody told us that this is going on. A WhatsApp message I received from public, so we came directly from our residence.